Hey, guess what? Last Thursday I did a little experiment with one of my plants. I have a Monstera deliciosa and I chopped half of it up so that I could put it or prop it against a moss pole. And in doing so, I accidentally ripped some of the branches that were growing. And so I just trimmed them down. And these are the air roots. But I put them in a container with some water to see if it would grow. Just, for funsies, because apparently that's how you propagate them. But I've never seen it done with just the stalk and some roots. And a little more than a week later, I have some nodule growing right there, coming out right here. I've even got some growing down here, and a couple growing from the air roots, so that's pretty neat. I just wanted to see what would happen, and it looks like I'm going to have another plant. There's another nodule growing right there. Cool, right? On another note, I did 2 attempts with the same stalk of the Monstera deliciosa, and this was on the same branch, but I hacked this one up and put it into a bucket of water and let the air roots out into the air, and it doesn't appear that it's doing anything. But when I chop this off, this was going to be another leaf right here, and when I initially cut this wasn't growing, so I might get another leaf from this. We will see.